Job for everyone and a toxic-free world. With this slogan on Friday, DYFI and TYF conducted a slogan-raising rally in the different roads of Agartala. The idea that the unemployment problem will be solved if there is a BJP government is absolutely absurd. With this allegation, CPIM has hit up the road of Agartala. Job for everyone and a toxic-free world. With this slogan on Friday, DYFI and TYF conducted a slogan-raising rally in the different roads of Agartala. On that day, the rally was started from Mellarmat going to different roads of the capital, and at last a conference rally meeting was held. It was attended by State CPIM Secretary Jitendra Chaudhary, former Chief Minister Manik Sarkar, and Central Executive members of DYFI, A.A. Rahim, and others.
Ayangkat Tripura truck ni abone penas abu chole jama abu hoite Tripura no mukto khai Tripura ni sarkari kono job program tai kobon job kurui ongui bahai khai sikla sikli rongno amute nesha bisino godal rigoi je borongni wansuk mongno abo spoil khainani initino sopul spoil khainani borongno sarkarni against to samaya tui borongno je juda juda khainani sarkarno একদিকে সমগ্রিয়া তাই কাইসা আমকা ই ট্রাক নি আপনি এনকারেজ খাই আপনি বিরুদ্ধে DYFI TYF খানো আবো ত্রিপুরা হাসতেনি বেবাক সিকলা সিকলারনি জবা আবো আমি আঙ্গো ফাইজাকা বরং যে আবো খাইনানি পাবে এনকারেজ খাইনি পাবে.
In the conference rally meeting, all the CPIM executives who were present in the meeting gave a speech allegedly towards BJP. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.